Alright, so now this problem is about a lighthouse. So a rescue worker is located 175 feet above the ground in a lighthouse. So I'm going to do my best to draw a lighthouse here. Good enough. We got our guy up here. He's just chilling, and we know that he is 175 feet off the ground. He spots a ship on the water at an angle of depression of 62 degrees. So we've got our ship out here. And he spots it from his eye level, boom, 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 all the way out, and all the way down now. He sees that ship, and it makes an angle of depression of 62 degrees. So what's really nice about this is that the base of the lighthouse is at the water, so I can copy this measurement here and make my right angle. So that means that this has to be 175 feet. So we want to know how far from the base of the lighthouse is the ship. Well, once again, I can go ahead and I can draw this in, and these are both going to be the same measurement. So I'm going to go ahead and create something using my 62 degree angle, and it looks like I've got the opposite and the adjacent. So I'm going to do the tangent of 62 is equal to my opposite divided by my adjacent. So multiply by x on both sides, divide by the tangent of 62, and I get x is equal to 175 divided by the tangent of 62. So when I plug that into my calculator, I get x is equal to 93.05 feet, which if I were to go ahead and round that to the nearest foot, it's 93 feet away from the base of that lighthouse.